What is up? Lock picking newbie here, and I just got a package from Amazon, my favorite place lately. Let's open this up and take a look and see what we got. I think this is going to be the motorcycle lock. I ordered a, yep, that is exactly what it is. I ordered a motorcycle lock, a disc lock actually, put on your disc brake. Probably going to need the device for this one probably. In any event, let's open this up and take a look. It was $13, $14 for this lock. I got it because it is a tubular lock, which, yeah, there we go. Nice tubular lock. I'm hoping I can use my tubular impression tool on this. Pretty neat. I guess you, that's 7 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 pins. Put it in. Okay, it pops out. You slide this over your brake discs through one of the slots or the holes in the brake disc, and then lock it like that. Well, let's see. I've been looking for something to test my tubular lock picks in. I haven't used them in a while. Let's get this reset here. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Okay. Let's get the tubular kit out. Got 3 of them in here. This is from Banggood. I don't remember what I paid for this. Usually it's the red one. Let's see. I think that's 7.5. I'm going to have to take that key out of the middle because this post, the center post, does not have a slot in it. So let me get this little wrench out of here and remove that key. Let's see, here we go. Alright. Yeah, you have to take the key. Let me zoom back out a minute. You gotta take that center piece out. So under one of these, there is a, there it is. I think that's it. Where'd it go? On the opposite side of it, so it's got to be over here. There it is, right there. Slide that back. Put this key in. I think I got the wrong key. Another key in there. No. It's got to be the right key. That's the only key that's in there. Got to be a smaller key. Well, does it fall into one of the other ones? Well, oh, there it is. Okay, I got the right one now. All right, that goes in there. Twist that around. And that pin should fall right out. There it is. Okay, a little pin fell right out, so save that. Okay, let's try to pick this lock. Put all these back. There we go. That sets them all to the even set point. And let's see what happens here if this thing will pop open. Alright, there's the top. right size. And there it is. It's open. Okay, wow. I guess I won't be putting that on my Harley anytime soon. Okay, well, I mean, what do you expect for $14? I basically just wanted something to try my impressioning tool on, and it worked. So there you have it. The motorcycle disc lock with the tubular pin lock has been picked. I will put a link to the impressioning set here. It wasn't very expensive, but as you can see, it is definitely effective. In any event, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time. As always, have a great day. Lock picking newbie out.